Everyone, millions of the American actually hitting your account money $5,181 payment on this Wednesday. But wait, only few people actually who qualify. Are you one of them? Let's find out here in this video. Watch till the end. The April 2022 2026 Social Security payment is not on everyone. It's a part of the final payment cycle of the month. If your birthday fall between 21 and 31 of any month, then this your scheduled payday. That how the system work. The millions of beneficiary, but here the something many people don't realize if you receiving benefit based or someone easily work record like a sport, then birthday determine your payment date, not your. The small detail change everything. So before you expect money on April 2022, double checks which birthday apply in your case in the fastest way to the know if your payment is coming on this Wednesday or a different date. Now let's talk about the number of the grabbing attention $5,181. Here the truth. Not everyone receiving this amount in the fact the close of maximum possible social security benefit to hike under who delay claiming until highest eligible age. Most people receiving much less than this. Social security payment vary based on lifetime earning, how many year you worked, and when you started claiming benefit. This means two people receiving payment on the same day could have completely different amounts. So while $5,181 is possible, it is not standard payment. It's upper limit to the small group on beneficiary. All come down your personal work history. Social Security calculate your benefit using your lifetime earning record, the number of year you contribute and age you started claiming. If you work longer and earn more, your benefit will be higher. If you claimed early, your monthly payment is reduced, and if you delay claiming, your benefit increase over time. This system is designed to reflect your contributing over your lifetime. That why there is no one size fit all payment. Your checks is unique to you. The best way to you know exact amount to the check your officially social security account. It give you a pressure number based on your history. If you schedule for April 2022, here the what you can expect. If you receive your regular monthly social security payment, nothing extra, nothing special, just your standard benefit based your eligibility. The state is simple mark in final major payment on April under the system used by the Social Security Administration. Most people will be receive their money thought direct deposit. So should you arrive directly in your bank account, but remember there are no fixed amount on this date. Each payment reflect in individual calculated benefits. So whether you checks is higher or lower and based entire on your personal record, not the date itself. Or direct deposit which the far secure and eligible. If you don't have bank account, your benefit may be loaded on to direct express card which works like a regular debit card. This key makes sure your details are correct. Even small mistake is your banking information can be delay your payment, so take a moment and double checks everything. It's simple to step, but ensure your money arrive exactly what it stood without any issue. Are you getting paid on this Wednesday? $5,181 my payment you waiting. Don't forget this video.